Looking for the best 4K gaming monitor for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 4K gaming monitor that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a 4K gaming monitor that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended 4K gaming monitor. Number 1 on the list is LG 27GN950B. Here's your winner. The LG 27GN950B. The 27-inch screen provides unbeatable immersion and space for multitasking. With a resolution of 3840x2160, the monitor offers excellent visuals for solo or multiplayer gameplay. LG's monitor uses an IPS panel with wide viewing angles, which keeps the image accurate when viewed from the side. It's an excellent feature to have for those who are sharing content or playing co-op games. The monitor can overcome glare easily too, thanks to its brightness. The monitor boasts a 144Hz speed refresh rate with a 1 millisecond (GTG) response time for speedy graphics that are consistent. You will need to purchase an additional graphics card that has display stream compression technology. Without this, you will be unable to reach the monitor's full 144Hz refresh rate. This is because there is no HDMI 2.1 support. While this can be a downside for some customers, this should not be too much of an issue if you already own the required graphics card. There is an excellent wide color gamut. It can go bright enough to bring out highlights, although the low contrast ratio can leave blacks looking gray in the dark. There's a contrast ratio of 8475.31, and thanks to the IPS panel, you get a color coverage of 94.5% of DCI-P3. 2 USB ports will allow for charging. The picture-in-picture mode lets you display 2 input signals simultaneously too. For those after a great monitor that will allow for enhanced gameplay, whether you are playing alone or with others, this monitor by LG is the one for you. Second on the list is Asus TUF Gaming VG289Q. Another great option is Asus's TUF Gaming monitor. Featuring a 28-inch screen, the monitor delivers crisp and detailed visuals for an immersive gaming experience. The monitor features a 4K 3840x2160 resolution complete with IPS DCI-P3 grade gaming visuals. The monitor is compatible with HDR10 high dynamic range to deliver color and brightness levels unrivaled on standard monitors. Asus's monitor uses AMD FreeSync technology to eliminate screen tearing and choppy frames. This technology supports both adaptive sync with AMD Radeon and NVIDIA GeForce graphics cards. What's great about this monitor is the shadow boost technology, which enhances image details in dark areas without overexposing other bright colors on display. The technology is excellent for spotting enemies hiding in darker parts of the screen. No more surprise shootings for you. Asus's monitor also features its eye care technology. The monitor is fitted with a blue light filter and flicker-free technology that reduces eye strain for a comfortable viewing and gaming experience. The technology is TUF certified too, for your peace of mind. The ultra-low blue light technology uses 4 different filter settings to control the amount of blue light reduction. The monitor also uses Asus's game visual technology. The 7 preset display modes help to optimize visuals depending on the content. You can access this through the hotkey or on-screen display settings menu to find the setting that works for you. The hotkey is integrated with Asus's exclusive Game Plus, allowing you to get the most from your game. The feature was developed with help from pro gamers too, so you know you can put your faith in it. Why not give it a try? The monitor's stand is adjustable too, so you can create the perfect gaming environment. You can adjust the swivel, tilt, pivot, and height of the monitor to find the ideal setup for you. You get flexible connectivity with this monitor too. It features a DisplayPort and 2 HDMI ports for all your needs. Customers loved the monitor's colors and found them excellent, not just for gaming, but for work on Photoshop too. They found the sRGB mode excellent, particularly for seeing their blacks as black. Some customers found the sound quality to be lacking with this monitor. They used headsets or additional speakers to resolve this issue, but consider if you usually game without a headset. For those after an excellent 4K gaming monitor, you will be hard-pressed to find one that performs as well as the Asus TUF gaming monitor. Number 3 on the list is Acer Predator XB271HU. For those on a budget, the Acer Predator X27 is a fantastic 4K gaming monitor to consider. With a resolution of 2560x1440, the 27-inch monitor uses an LCD to create an immersive gaming experience. Acer's monitor uses NVIDIA G-Sync technology and flickerless technology to reduce screen flickering and avoid eye strain that this can cause. The in-plane switching technology, IPS, delivers a premium color performance that boasts no color difference when viewing at different angles. Using WQHD, the monitor shows you all the details in your game, allowing you to immerse yourself in action. What's great about this monitor is that the tripod-like stand allows for height, swivel, and tilt adjustments. You can tailor the monitor to the best viewing position for yourself. The viewing angles are also great, allowing the monitor to maintain image accuracy when viewed from the side. You get a response time of 4 milliseconds, which is slower than other monitors included today. However, you should notice little difference when compared to different monitors. At this price, you will be pushed to find a monitor that offers a better refresh rate. The monitor boasts a refresh rate of 144 Hz that provides fast and clear images. The refresh rate can be overclocked to 165 Hz too, allowing for even quicker images. Great when you are playing a high-speed game. Acer's monitor also uses a zero-frame design, which removes thick frames we see on standard monitors to free up the screen space. You will be able to see more of your game and enjoy a full and brightly colored screen. Customers love the range of settings available, allowing you to tailor the monitor to your current game. They found the monitor easy to set up and praised the high quality of the monitor. Some customers noted that pixels were displaced from the center of the screen to the right edge at random intervals. This issue was not widely reported and can be fixed if you send the monitor to Acer for repair. As so few customers reported the problem, it is unlikely to affect you. If you are after a reasonably priced 4K gaming monitor with fantastic speeds and overclocking potential, then look no further than Acer's Predator. Number 4 on the list is Asus ROG Strix XG27UQ. For those with a larger budget, we think you will love the Asus ROG Strix monitor. The 27-inch IPS monitor has a 4K resolution, 3840x2160, that offers fantastic gameplay. The monitor boasts a refresh rate of 144 Hz and a 1 millisecond response rate to deliver super smooth gaming visuals. These speedy times will ensure that you can play high-quality visual games quickly lag-free. The monitor also supports display stream compression (DSC) technology, which is excellent for those wanting to stream on their monitors. Be sure that your existing graphics card can support this too. The high dynamic range (HDR) technology comes with a DisplayDRA 400 certification and 125% sRGB for fantastic performance. The 90% DCI-P3 professional color gamut ensures a brilliant color performance with excellent contrast. There are also multiple HDR modes that you can adjust to ensure you have the right performance at all times. The Shadow Boost technology works to clarify dark areas of the game without overexposing the brighter areas. This means your blacks stay black and your brighter colors don't end up straining your eyes. It works to ensure a smooth appearance, and the feature allows you to spot enemies lurking in dark areas of a map. The adaptive sync works to deliver a seamless and tear-free gaming performance. This is also G-Sync compatible in the application process. What's great about this monitor is the inclusion of Asus iCare technology. It features TÜV Rheinland certification to offer flicker-free and low blue light technology that minimizes eye fatigue. Great for those who spend extended periods on their screens. The included ergonomic stand allows you to adjust it in 4 ways. You can change the tilt, swivel, pivot, and height to suit your needs. Say goodbye to uncomfortable viewing experiences. Customers praised the quality and speed of the monitor, especially when running at 144 Hz. The speeds allowed for little to no lag during gaming, which is what we all crave. Be sure to upgrade your firmware to get the blackest of blacks when gaming. While the monitor is expensive, the fast performance and fantastic colors in this monitor make it an excellent choice for anyone wanting to enhance their gaming. Number 5 on the list is Dell UltraSharp U2720Q. For those after a reasonably priced monitor, the Dell UltraSharp U2720Q is the one for you. The 27-inch 4K monitor has an outstanding resolution that is sure to impress you. The sleek monitor uses an IPS screen with 3840x2160 resolution to offer virtually seamless performance. The IPS technology allows you to have consistent and vibrant colors across a wide viewing angle. No matter the angle, your colors will be consistent, making it an excellent option for multiplayer gaming. Dell's monitor has a slightly slower refresh rate of 60 Hz. You will see a quick changeover between graphics. The response time of 8 milliseconds allows for speedy changes during gameplay too. Yes, it's not as fast as other monitors, but it is also a fraction of the price. The 99% color gamut ensures you experience the best colors imaginable. These are sharp and crisp, with a good contrast level that is needed in gaming. It will work to keep your black colors black instead of the patchy gray we see on standard monitors. There is a range of ports too, allowing you to experience quick and simple connectivity. You get a DisplayPort, HDMI, USB ports, and an audio line out. What's great about this monitor is that it can be adjusted by the tilt, swivel, and pivot, as well as the option to wall mount it. This gives you tremendous versatility depending on your gaming area to create a viewing experience that is perfect for you. Dell's monitor also features anti-glare software that will reduce eye strain and allow you to enjoy your gaming experience. The LED backlights allow for a bright and enjoyable display. Customers enjoyed the image quality on Dell's monitor. They found the images to be sharp and clear when gaming or streaming videos. The brightness levels work well in a range of environments, so you can game comfortably in the dark if you so wish. While it is not the quickest monitor included, it is still an excellent choice for those on a budget that want to experience 4K gaming. Just now is a list of 5 best 4K gaming monitor that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.